Now we'll see with the theorem of internal division of the chords. The theorem has been given to you as if two chords of a circle intersect each other in the interior of the circle. You can see AB and CD, both the chords are touching each other at the point E, which is internal, which is in the interior of the circle. Then the product of length of two segments of one chord means AE multiplied by EB is equal to CE multiplied by DE, which is equal to the product of the length of two segments of the another chord. Another chord is our chord CD it is. So given to us, we are given with the circle, in the circle with the center P, we are given that AB chord and CD chord, they are intersecting each other internally at point E. So this is being given to us. Now we have to prove that AE into EB is equal to CE multiplied by ED or DE you can say. Construction, we are drawing segment AC and segment DB. Proof. So in proof, what we are getting? We are getting the two triangles. The name of the triangle is CAE and in triangle BDE. CAE and BDE. First point, what we are getting here in both the triangles? We are getting as angle AEC is congruent to angle BED. By the diagram only you can make it out. It makes a pair of vertically opposite angle. So we can write it down region as vertically opposite angle. देखो आप एंगल AEC इधर का एंगल congruent to एंगल DEB ये एंगल रीजन लिखा वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल. उसके बाद एंगल CAE is equal to angle BDE. If you see the diagram properly, what we are getting here? CAE angle देखो आप CAE. So CAE का क्या हो जाता है? The arc is what? CB. And for BDE also, if we do BDE and we extend it till here, from BDE till here, we are getting the arc as BC. So we can write it down angle inscribed in the same arc. Correct? We can write it down like this way. Now we can write it down like triangle CAE is similar to triangle BDE. अगर हम लोग को दो एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट मिल जाते हैं एक दूसरे को तो हम लोग सिमिलर वर्ड डाल सकते हो by the means of test of AA test of similarity. After doing AA test of similarity, we will be putting CSST means corresponding side of similar triangle. कैसे लिखेंगे हम लोग? AE upon DE second third alphabet upon second third alphabet is equal to first third alphabet CE upon first and third alphabet in this triangle also BE. Region CSST. Then we can do cross multiplication. BE into AE into BE is equal to CE multiplied by DE. That is what we wanted to prove here. We have proved it here. Similarly, अगर आप लोगों को दिया रहेगा कि AD अगर हम लोग ज्वाइन करेंगे and we are joining what? CB also. अगर हम लोग ये दोनों ज्वाइन कर देते तो क्या हो जाएगा इधर भी? And we want the same thing. AE into EP is equal to CE into ED. Again we will be taking these two triangles. Again by these two triangles, in the same manner, we can write it down by A test of similarity. Both the triangles are similar to each other. Then we can write it down CSST like AE upon DE is equal to CE upon B. Then we can do a cross multiplication. We are getting the answer as AE into EB is equal to CE into DE. अगर ये लाइन यहाँ पे रहता था तो हमारा आंसर भी सेम आ जाता है. Provided you have to take care of this which angle are vertically opposite angle? These two angles are vertically opposite angle. That we write it down here. And angle is instead of the same arc also you can write it down. And by the means of similarity, you will be getting the answer. Now we will see to the next theorem by the theorem of external division of the chord.